In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Movavi video editor. I have been using Movavi for a few years. I do all my editing through this website. I think this program is good for business, but as well for personal. If you do TikToks, if you do Instagram posts or any social media, this is this is one of the best programs there is. So I already have my programs right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and open Movavi Video Editor 25. I'm using it on my iMac. So once it opens up, it looks like this. And we're gonna say, remind me later. So it looks like this. And you have so many options. You can download the file that you want to clean or work with. So I'm going to pull up one of the videos. Let's go ahead and pull this one here. And it's a video about some jewelry that I made. So let's go through this. This is where you can put all the videos that you want to work with. It doesn't have to be just one. It can be several videos. This here allows you to download music. Right here is all the text that you can get. And the ones that don't have the little crown, that means that those are free. And if you like them, you just go hard and like them. Other than that, you need to buy the other ones if you're interested in. So I have 3 favorite, and then the recent ones that I used, and you have all different categories here. This one is so to change the screen. In the system for 2024, they used to have like free ones, but right now you just have to go through them, and you can actually favorite all the ones that don't need a membership like this, and then you can just find them in your favorites. Okay, and we're going to be using that in a bit. You're going to see what this option does. And then we have this here where you can change the color of your video. You can do different things, change it to black and white, put something fancy. So there's a lot of different options. Right here, again, the ones with the crown, that means you need to buy an extra membership to get this, or you can look and see if there's any free ones. And you can save them, and you will find them all under your favorite. There, you can just go by subject, but it looks like all of them are, you need to buy them. This is other things that you can incorporate into your video editor. If, as you can see, you can get different packs like Christmas, cartoon, whatever is it that you like, education and work. You can just get the pack that you need. This one right here is when your video you don't like the color of it, you can always like change it. And this option only works once you start working with your video. Okay, so let's go ahead and work a little bit with this here. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to move around my video, and I'm going to go here, and I'm going to switch it around. Okay, and then what you can do too is you can crop it where you go. Maybe you can make it bigger or smaller just so that you have, there you go, the concentration just on that part right there. So that's the way it's going to look, and you go up here and you apply. Okay, we're going to go through the video, and let's see here. I don't start talking right away. And what I encourage you to do is that if you get stuck when you're recording your video, you go, let me stop this for a second. You go ahead and just, if you get nervous or for whatever reason, you just stop talking, get your thought back in your brain, and let the video go, let it keep going. And once you get your thought back, start talking again. And don't worry about it, because with this program, you're going to be able to edit, cut, and take it out, so nobody's going to know what happened. So as you can see, I'm barely going to start talking.
Welcome to this.
Okay, so right there, I'm going to stop it, and I'm going to move it a little bit behind. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to highlight both. You can separate them, but I'm going to highlight them both. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut. Oh, both need to be highlighted. I'm going to cut it right here on the scissors. Then I'm going to grab these and I'm going to delete it right here. But before I do that, what I'm going to show you is, let's say that this part of the video is too long and it is repetitive and you don't want it to be long, but you still want to show some of it. So what you can do is you're going to grab only the bottom part and you're going to delete just the bottom part. And then you're going to grab this part right here. You're going to go to this, the clip setting right here, and then you're going to speed it up. You can speed it up to, I believe, 900. But what you do is like speed it up, like let's say, let's go to 500. Okay? And then you're going to move all your video back. So let's put it at the beginning and let me show you how it's going to look. Look at right here. See, it's going really quick.
Welcome to this video.
See?
I made this
bracelet. Since you already saw that, we're going to go ahead and I'm going to show you something else. This is where transitions come to play. Let's say you have that and it's going really quick, but you want to do a transition. So what you do, let's choose this one, and we're going to put it right we're going to put it right between the fast part of the video and the regular part of the video. So now when you play it again, you're going to see how it's going to turn. See that?
Welcome to this.
Isn't that wonderful? I love that. So then to cut another piece, I have this big gap where I like I'm telling you, I just stopped and I didn't say anything. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make sure the video and the voice are highlighted, and I'm going to go ahead and cut it. Then I'm going to bring it back here and I'm going to cut it again. I grab the whole thing and I delete it, and then I bring all my video over here. So let's say I want to add another a different transition. Let's say I'm going to do the fade to white. So we're going to go ahead and put it right in there. Okay, right there.
You're going to put them through.
You're going to see it. It's
and then you're going to grab.
I don't know why my video is shaking. The original was the original I did wasn't shaking. I'm not sure what is doing that. Also, let's say you want to put a little bit of text. You're going to go here. I like they have so many different ones, you guys. You can go crazy with this, but I usually use the simple one. So I bring it down here. I put it where I need it. Let's say I want it right here. And then I click on it. And then I can say, please subscribe. And then you can move it around right there. You can change the font, and then you can also change the size. Let me change the font again. And then right here you can change the font to any size you want. And you can change the color if you want to something that is going to be bright, and you can put it anywhere you want. Okay, right there. And you can also make it as little or as wide as you want. Okay, just like that. Another thing you can do, let's say that you want to incorporate a picture to it, you're gonna download everything that you want, okay? And then you want to put a picture. Downloads. I don't know why my computer is a little slow right now. Let's say that I want to put this picture there. So I'm going to bring it up. And then let's say that that's my very cute granddaughter. Okay, I want to insert the picture right here. And then I go on the picture. And once I have the picture there, I'm going to go right here. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to crop the picture. So we're going to go ahead and go right here. Right there. And then we want to position the picture. So we want to say where we want the picture. So let's say we want it on the right. And then you can make it bigger or smaller or move it around. If you want just a little girl right there, you can do that. Okay, you can change the size. You can make it little on one side. You can make it full page. You can make it on top. I mean, you have so many options. And the same thing with this, it can either be 1 second, or you can make it, longer time. Okay, so there's so many options, you guys, that you can do with this program. I'm really excited to show you these. And you can go to the description box and get the link of the product where you can go directly and get a discount from this company. It's a yearly subscription, but if you're into making videos, believe me, it's very well worth it. There's so much more that I want to show you, but I'm going to be doing it little by little. And so until next video, you guys, thank you and have a blessed day.